Hey there! Ever dreamed of making 1,000 short videos in just 10 minutes and monetizing them to make thousands of dollars a month? Well, dream no more! Today I'll show you how to do just that using ChatGPT and Canva. Yes, you heard it right. It's almost like having your own personal AI assistant who doesn't need coffee breaks. First, I ask ChatGPT for 5 topics that are suitable for YouTube Shorts or short-form content in general. As you can see, it provides me with 5 examples. You can, of course, tailor these suggestions to your own subject matter if you want to use them for your own channel. Now, I'm in the process of writing a prompt to organize everything into a table. It's crucial to craft a precise and clear prompt when working with AI tools like ChatGPT. A well-constructed prompt ensures that the output is accurate and relevant to your needs. By specifying the details and structure you want, you can significantly enhance the quality of the response you receive. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the content generated is immediately usable and aligns with your objectives. I'll include the typed prompt in the description below so you can see exactly how I structured it. As we wait for the analysis to complete, this is the perfect moment to remind you not to forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment about what you use ChatGPT for the most. Your engagement helps the channel grow, and let me know what content you find most valuable.
5 hours later.
Okay, now let's take a look at what ChatGPT has provided us. As you can see, it has generated a nice table with everything neatly separated. This table format makes it easy to review and use the information efficiently. Don't forget to thank ChatGPT for its assistance, otherwise, who knows, maybe in the future it might get very angry at you. Alright, let's get started by heading over to canva.com. First, you'll need to create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on this screen. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts. You'll see a variety of templates appear, but for this tutorial, we're going to choose Create a Blank YouTube Shorts. Now, you'll land on this page, head over to the Elements section. Here, you'll search for a background that complements your shorts. It's a good idea to keep your background simple and not too busy. For this tutorial, I'll choose a calm background, specifically a sunset. Click on Videos and select the video you want for your background. Make sure the video fits perfectly within the frame by resizing it. Next, go to the text section and add a title. Here you can customize it to your liking by choosing different fonts, colors, and backgrounds for the text. This is where you can get creative and make it suit your personal style. Once you've finished creating your title, click on the title text box and select Duplicate. Drag the new text box down and change it to Part 1. Remove the background and style the text to your preference. Next, duplicate this text box again. Make sure everything is properly aligned and that the text boxes are slightly below each other. Since your text for Part 1 and Part 2 will be longer, make sure to align the text boxes to the sides of the video by extending them to the edges. Now, we need to ensure that Part 1 and Part 2 text boxes don't appear at the same time. To do this, click on one of the text boxes and then click on Show Timing. As you can see, a timeline appears at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust this timeline so that Part 1 and Part 2 appear one after the other. It's a good idea to keep Part 1 on the screen slightly longer than Part 2. Now, double check everything one last time, make sure everything is neat and just the way you want it, because soon we'll be looking at the final result. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment if you walk into any trouble. I am there to help. Now, we've reached the amazing feature in Canva called Bulk Create. We're going to link the data we created with ChatGPT to Canva. On the left side of the screen, click on Bulk Create. If you don't see it, check under Canva Apps where you can find it as well. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy all the data. Return to Canva, click on Enter Data Manually, select the top left cell in the first column, and paste your text. It will automatically format the text into topics Part 1 and Part 2 just like we want it. Now, click on Done. Next, you need to link your data to specific elements. Right-click on Topic and choose Connect Data. Then select Topic. You'll see that it has linked the data. Now, repeat the process for Part 1 and Part 2. Finally, move Part 2 over Part 1 because you want to display Part 2 right after Part 1 in the same location. You see that I it up here because I named both parts Part 1, but it doesn't change anything in the end. Click on Continue, and then click on Generate 19 Designs. It only made 19 videos because I didn't import more data. If you want, you can make it as crazy as you want. Now, check if your videos are good and to your liking. Congratulations, you've now made 19 videos in just a few minutes. When you're ready, you can super easily export your videos. Click on Share in the top right corner, then click on Download. Make sure you click Download Pages as separate files, and then click on Download. The result will look something like this. Creating these videos is just one part of the journey to going viral. It's also about the quality and fun of your edits, your upload schedule, and the content you create. I can't promise that every video will go viral, but don't give up. Consistency and creativity are key. If you have any difficulties or specific topics you'd like me to cover in a video, leave a comment below. I'm here to help you succeed in the world of AI and video creation. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It means the world to us and allows us to continue helping you. Like the video if you found it useful, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.